Merry Christmas, everyone. It's the most wonderful time of the year, and what better way to celebrate than by giving away some freebies? Every day over the next 12 days, I will be posting a new video with a different freebie or craft to help you all get into the Christmas spirit. In this video, I'm going to show you all how to get our free elf adoption certificate letter. Hey guys, welcome back to Hanging with the Kiddos. I'm Latoya, and today is day one of our 12 days of Christmas freebies and crafts. For today's gift, we're giving away an elf adoption certificate letter that you can use to officially adopt your elf this Christmas. You can head on over to our website and download our Christmas elf adoption certificate for your kiddos. You can find a little elf over at the $1.25 store or at Walmart. We picked ours up from the dollar store, and I'm going to let the kiddos fill this out, and you can download them for free. We have two different versions, the black Santa, and I also have the white Santa. I recommend printing these out on some white cardstock. Make sure you head on over to the website to grab today's freebie, because tomorrow a new freebie will be unlocked. My birthday is coming up in a few weeks, so I have a special offer for you all. You can get 30% off all of our ready-to-edit templates and custom party favors when you use code HWTK30 at checkout during my birthday month celebration. I hope you all enjoy today's freebie and the discount on our templates and party favors. As I mentioned earlier, over the next 12 days, I'm going to be posting a new freebie or craft. I'm going to post the video crafts DIYs here on YouTube, and the rest of the freebies are going to be posted over on TikTok and Instagram. So make sure you're following us so you don't miss out. Make sure you're subscribed to our YouTube channel. Hit that notification bell so that you can be notified when we post more videos. Thank you all so much for watching, and see you next time. Bye.